What's up everybody, my name is Ibra. This is my BMW M Sport Cabrio E46 and welcome to my channel. In this episode we are going to upgrade the front speakers because most likely the one on the driver's side started making some weird noises on higher music volume. I was lucky enough to find these Retrofit speakers, rainbow. Hopefully they are better in quality than the 20 years old BMW speakers, and going to fix the problem. First thing first, I want to open the roof and to have more room and also the light because my neighbor's car is here. But before that, I'm going to show you another special car, Volkswagen Beetle. I think this car is fully restored. I asked owner for permission to take some photos and videos. He's totally fine with it. It has really nice details. Actually, I'm gonna get some light and try to show you. I think it's better this way with some light. It looks really clean. You can see those details. The car looks really perfect. I cannot really describe it. I don't see any fails, anything old, rusty on this car. Look at these details. It's really a nice car. I really admire this car whenever I come and take the car out. The paint looks very clean. It's really a nice job. No, it's a nice taste of car. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this. It's really different in real life to see it. It's just amazing. So we are moving on to Cabrio. I'm gonna show you how to remove the door card because I already replaced the speaker from the left door and I had some light issue. So this door is left and it's identically the same, no struggle. Let me show you how to remove the bolts. There is one bolt here, one bolt here, one bolt here, one here, and one behind of this small cover. After remove it, you just need to gently pull it. Let me show you how to remove it. And I think there is already one bolt missing here. I don't see any bolt. I don't feel any bolt. So let me show you how to remove the door card, and after that we are going to replace the speaker as well. One of my mistakes while I'm removing the door cards is there is one bolt that is right behind of the airbag cover that I didn't unscrew it properly, so it was stuck while I'm removing the door card. Okay. So rest of the things, as you can see, the door handle, speaker, the other speaker, you have to unplug it and then you are going to have it in your hand. Door card is removed and it's going to be easy to swap it, taking the isolation off. There are 3 bolts. Looks like they have never been removed before. Three small bolts, and this is the condition of it. Let me show you the other one and also clean here a little bit. This is the aftermarket that I found in the marketplace, and this is the original one. Obviously we cannot expect any good sound from this. Oh, it's even broken from inside as well. So this is off. This is going to be the new one. Let's see how it's gonna sit. Perfect. I totally recommend putting the bolts first and see the position of the speaker. When you are sure that nothing is touching on the way of the speaker working or something, then you can screw it. See, there is a little bit tolerance in every fitment hole, so make sure that you have enough space, and after that tighten the bolts. This is very stable. I'm not really sure if this isolation will fit. I think it won't fit for sure. Yeah, no way the isolation fitting. Maybe I have to remove these things. I'm gonna drop it just like this, just to have it. You can see that these clips are gone as well. I'm going to swap them too. Basically you can just press with your fingers and see if they are broken or not. This one doesn't seem okay. This one is bad too. Okay, this one is gone too. Well, obviously someone opened this door card before me. I don't know the reason, because there was one bolt missing and they are in different color. I think I got some spares. Let me see if we can swap them. I have ordered a bag of clips before starting this process, because I have expected to have some problem with the door card clips. We have so many to replace. When I removed the other door card, it was like only 1 or 2 clips that they were broken. I was lucky. And these little sponges are very important, because they are going to stop some creaking noise while driving your car. So one more here. Okay, let's see. Do we need more? I think we don't need more. Maybe we can just put some sponges here. And one here. Okay. See, this one is not broken, but for sure it will be broken while I'm fitting it, so I'm going to replace this one too. This already cracked, and see, it's even not straight. It's just easier to swap it now than during the operation of fitting the door card back. I think we are ready to go. This thing is so annoying. I think I'm going to... Okay, let's see. Okay, this door card is ready to go. I'm gonna start putting the first the speaker, because the speaker is the one that is with our unoriginal plugs, but they fit in here. So the first one is this. The second one is the door handle. Door handle position should be closed, and after that put this one, otherwise you are going to be locked in. Not in the cabrio, but anyway. And the last one is the small speaker for the door card. Let's see.
A few moments later. More moments later.
another mistake that I do when I replace something without trying it, testing it, fitting back. Like this case, I replaced the speaker and I didn't even test it, and I fit back the door card. I'm almost sure that it's going to be alright, but don't repeat my mistakes. I'm checking the door card, it's very smooth, it fit. Now it fit. Another time. Yes, my fingers are not getting in the between the door and door card. So this is done. Let's test the speaker. I don't know for how long I can leave a song running without having any copyright issue. Seems fine. I hear really clear sound, so obviously it's fixed. This is the current condition of the car. It's very nasty again. I have to give a decent wash. Thank you for watching the video, and please hit the button subscribe to support me so there can be more videos of this lovely BMW, and what's next is this Suzuki. Stay tuned.